When we first launch Maya, we'll have this layout. We could minimize our layout by pressing these buttons. We can drag and tear off our outliner in Maya. Now we have our Maya maximized. The viewport is maximized. When we first launch Houdini, we have this layout. That's our default layout. We can maximize our layout by pressing this button. Let's create new scene. Now let's put them side by side. Now let's create a sphere in Houdini. And create a sphere in Maya. We might scale or translate our spheres by dragging these handles. They look similar. To see our attributes in Maya, we need to press Ctrl A and Ctrl A again. Now we have our sphere here. Let's maximize this pane in Houdini. It roughly corresponds, these parameters dialog, it roughly corresponds to Maya attribute editor or channel box, where we have our parameters and attributes. In Houdini, let's go inside this node, this geometry node, by double clicking. By pressing tab, we will see our tab menu, and here we will type just A and W. So this node is called attribute wrangler, where we will create our expressions. Just hook them to sphere. In Maya, let's select translate channel and go to edit expressions, and here we will see our expression editor. P-sphere1 translate X. This is our attribute. Let's paste it into the expression field. Here we will type our expressions. In Maya, we will type P-sphere1 dot translate X equals to scene function and frame in parentheses. That means that we will see our sphere moving according to sine function in our timeline, in the whole timeline. Let's put the semicolon in the end and hit create. Now we will see our expression created. This is indicated by the color changed into purple. When we press play, we will see our sphere moving. In Houdini, the same is realized by typing this expression p.x, which means that we will have our attribute positioned, or our attributes, our attribute plus equal to sine function, just put semicolon here, and here we'll type asterisk time, which corresponds to frame in Maya. Let's just hit play. So this movement is inside this node. So if you go outside this node, we will not see the movement. So we need to go inside the node, the geometry node. The speed is different, of course. We might change the speed in our preferences.